I look a mess right now. Don't mind the music in the back. Today's going to be a get ready with me. It's been a while since I did a get ready with me. So let's get into it. Okay, first I'm going to start by adding some powder in my face. It kind of broke. Concealer. Contour. Blush. Highlight. Powder. I'm just gonna add some brown eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this shade. Eyeliner. Mascara. Lip liner. Lip gloss. I'm just gonna add some more concealer. Setting spray. I'm just gonna add some oil to my hair. I'm just gonna straighten my hair a little bit. Okay, I'm just gonna curl my hair now. What I'm wearing, I don't know how I feel about it, but yeah. Hey guys, thanks for watching me get ready for my sister's birthday dinner. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video and keep for more.